Hi guys, I just got up. I'm currently gonna wash my bed sheets, so I have them here. I'm gonna wash these later, so I'm gonna have 2 loads, and then I'm just gonna clean up my messy room because it gets messy during the week, and then I'm gonna mop and sweep and all that good stuff. But they're my babies. I already took them out to go to the restroom. I have a list going of all the stuff that I want to do, so we're gonna get started.
Smile for you, smile for you, smile for you, smile for you. I will never cry for you, cry for you, cry for you, cry for you. I can't take this anymore. You say we're done, but you still want more. Baby, what I need is you out the door. This time I'm sure, yeah, that you're a bad boy up to no good. Trying to be a man, but you're stuck in boyhood. Baby, you won't ever treat me the way you should, so it's over for good. I will never smile for you, smile for you, smile for you, smile for you. Yeah, I will never cry for you, cry for you, cry for you, cry for you. Oh yeah.
Look who came and joined the party. Look at here. Everything else is pretty good. We just have this little pile of boxes here that's gonna be gone. My graduation cap is gonna be gone soon too, and then that's my wedding planning stuff, so that goes with me everywhere. I just have it on the floor right now, but yeah, everything else is clean, organized. It still looks like a little bit of a mess here and there, but that's just how my life is. And there's Cinnamon looking cute. But yeah guys, that is everything for the most part. It's pretty tidied up, except for that corner, but everything else is.
I will never smile for you. I will never smile for you.